Pisces, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pero inyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Pisces. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for the month of August. Pisces. Pisces. Pisces for the month of August. Ano yung mga energies and messages for Pisces, please? Okay. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng clarity kung meron mang doubts or hindi clear sa inyong sitwasyon, sa inyong path, okay, sa inyong iniisip. Magkakaroon to ng kasagutan. Merong movement na mangyayari, okay? Yeah, merong pagtatapos in your situation or a phase of your situation, okay? Whether sa career, sa trabaho mo, okay? Relationship mo. Okay. Right now, parang hindi mo alam kung anong nangyayari sa sitwasyon mo. You don't know kung anong direksyon ang iti-take or ang inyong patutunguhan. You need clarity. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You need to decide on something, which direction, okay? Kailangan mo i-balance ang inyong emosyon, ang inyong sitwasyon, so that you will be able to gain clarity in your situation. Know what you want, okay? Okay. Also, be kind and considerate doon sa mga tao na nasa paligid mo. Okay, Pisces. You have a big goal, okay? Yeah. You're thinking about money. Yeah. You want to be successful sa inyong ginagawa. You need to have a direction. You need to have a focus. You have to manage your time well. Okay? Your time para sa work, sa business mo, and yung time para sa family mo at saka sa self mo. Okay? Merong movement na mangyayari. For some of you, parang hindi nyo alam, okay, kung magiging successful ba ang trabaho or ang ginagawa ninyo or a business, okay? May mga passion projects kayo, okay, creativity. You don't know kung anong patutunguhan. It seems na parang walang movement, walang magandang resulta. Ang nangyayari, parang ang bagal, you know. But you will be receiving clarity. Things will suddenly move forward to your favor, Pisces, okay? Merong phase sa sitwasyon mo, maybe in your mindset, na magbabago positive change, okay? Meron kang kailangang baguhin din sa inyong mindset, sa inyong sistema, sa inyong proseso, okay? Meron kayong kailangan tanggalin, yung hindi na necessary or hindi na kailangan. Maybe sa work to, sa business, okay? Yeah. Feelings na kailangan na i-let go or i-release. You need to have clarity in mind and in your feelings, Pisces. Okay? Yeah. Kailangan mo bigyan ng pansin and attention yung mga loved ones mo, your home, your family, okay? Spend time with them. Be considerate with them. Be considerate to them, okay? Yeah. Maybe you need to go out, shopping, and all that. But you are also making a decision about it. Yeah. You don't want to waste your time also and then your resources and money. Okay? You don't want to waste them. Okay? And you are managing well your resources, your budget. Okay? Even your time and attention. Yeah. But you need to be considerate and generous as well to your family. Okay? Tingnan natin. Yeah, for some of you, you have no time already because you're doing a lot. Wala kang time para sa sarili mo at saka para sa pamilya mo. Okay? And at the same time, clouded yung mind nyo. Parang hindi mo alam kung ano ba yung future mo, ano yung next mo na gagawin, ano yung patutunguhan, or ano yung resulta na mangyayari sa inyong current na ginagawa. Okay? Merong movement. Things will suddenly move for you. Positive change. Fortune is on your side, Pisces. See? Release. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Know what you want. Yung mga unnecessary things, yung mga nagpapagulo sa isip mo, you have to release them. Okay? You need also to be direct on what you want. Know what you want and do it. Pisces. Okay? Yeah. Balance your emotions. Okay? If there is something na kailangan mo ring tapusin in your situation or may kailangan kang baguhin, kailangan mo siyang tapusin para mag-improve or maging maayos ang sitwasyon mo. So in order for you to receive peace and harmony at magkaroon ka ng direksyon, you need to say it, you need to express it. Okay? You have to know what you want. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? Be clear and direct sa mga approach mo, sa ginagawa mo, okay? You are clearing all things that no longer serve you. Yeah. Tatanggalin mo na yung mga yan. Hindi mo na siya papansinin. And that's when things will move forward. Okay? Magkakaroon ng movement, magkakaroon ng galaw. Okay? If you will stand up for yourself, kung alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari, okay? At tatanggalin mo na yung mga nonsense or unnecessary things or mindset in your situation. Yeah. Yes. You're not sure kung meron pa bang expansion, meron pa bang growth sa inyong ginagawa, meron pa bang something challenging in your situation or sa inyong ginagawa, sa current ninyo na status. It's not clear for you. You're asking that. Okay? You need to release fear also, Pisces. Okay? Clearly, merong expansion, merong growth. You just have to be patient. And you have to clear your mind. Kasi parang clouded eh. Parang hindi ka sure sa ginagawa mo. So, kailangan maging sure ka muna. Okay? Kailangan maging confident ka sa inyong ginagawa. Maniwala ka sa inyong ginagawa, sa sarili mo, sa skills mo, or sa talent mo. Para ma-achieve mo tong expansion and growth. And you are looking forward to it. So, parang ang problema is yung mind. Okay? You are being sensitive. Parang takot ka. You are scared. Okay? Parang may fear ka sa future mo. Okay? Pero, merong movement. May magandang mangyayari sa inyo. Okay? Kung nagantay ka ng matagal, na magkaroon ng growth or positive or development ang inyong ginagawa, magkakaroon. Okay? Fortune is on your side. Things will suddenly move to your favor. Okay? Kung stagnant dati, parang ang bagal, ang tagal. Parang magugulat ka na lang na parang ang bilis na, oy, may magandang resulta na. Okay? Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. King of Cups. Magtiwala ka. Okay? You need to be compassionate also sa sarili mo at sa mga tao na nasa paligid mo. Okay? Be kind, be generous. Okay? Yeah. You need also advice from someone. Okay? Kung anong pwedeng gawin. Okay? Magpakalma sa inyo para i-clear yung isip ninyo. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you need that person to give you advice. Na mayroong compassion. Okay? Sa inyong sitwasyon. Yeah. Kung merong hindi pagkakaintindihan in your relationship or in your situation, okay, that will be expressed. Merong movement doon, merong development, merong improvement sa relationship. Okay? There will be expression of love. May movement, may changes. Doon sa sitwasyon na yon. Okay. Yeah. So, you need to have clarity. Okay? Magkakaroon ng direksyon ang inyong sitwasyon. New direction. A wake-up call. Magkakaroon ng wake-up call para sa inyo, sa sitwasyon mo. Na, uy, something is wrong sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong mindset, sa inyong prinsipyo, sa inyong iniisip. Magkakaroon ka ng clarity. Okay? Merong desisyon na gagawin. Kung meron man kayong madaming ginagawa, busy ka, you will be able to manage it well. You will be, magdedesisyon ka, magde-decide ka that you will have to give time and attention to your family. Okay? You will be generous of your time or even money. You will spend time and money with them. Okay? Okay? Kung may problems ka in your situation, parang hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin, it's not clear for you, you need to be kind and considerate in that situation. Deal it with kindness. Pisces. Two of Pentacles. Yes. Work. Busy ka sa work. Okay? So, you need to manage your time well. Okay? Bring harmony sa inyong family or sa inyong relationship. Okay? Be kind to your loved ones. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, ang dami mong responsibilities, madami kang gastusin. You are making a decision about it. Meron kang gustong gawin, pero pinag-iisipan mo pa, okay? Nagde-decide ka, anong magandang gawin, okay? Meron kang bibilhin. Yeah. But, yes. Meron kang bibilhin, meron kang gustong i-purchase, okay? Yeah, you need to weigh kung ano yung importante para sa inyo. Okay? In deciding kung bibilhin mo ba or may i-purchase ka or something like that, meron kang i-acquire. So, you need to make sure na balance or you have enough to purchase it, to buy it, to acquire it. Okay? Think about the long term. May beneficial ba to sa'yo or hindi? In the long run. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip if you're going to change work or hindi, new direction. Yeah. For some, in order for you to give time, spend time with your family and all that, you are making a decision whether to drop one ball or one pentacle para magampanan mo ang role or situation mo, magampanan mo ang role or yung responsibility mo na para makapagbigay ka ng oras, time or attention and spend quality time with your family. Okay? Okay. Things will suddenly move forward with your loved one, okay? Or in your personal life in general. Okay, new direction. You need to decide. Okay. So you will be making a decision to end a phase in your life, okay, or in your situation. Okay, decision. Drop one ball. Maybe this is a work or something na inyong ginagawa para makapag spend kayo ng time, ng attention in your family as a Queen of Pentacles. Okay? Yeah. Or cut on something so that you will be able to purchase or acquire something that you really want. Okay? Use your intuition, clear your mind, clear your thinking. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung message for you. Pisces, Spirit Messages, Oracle Cards, message please, mensahe para sa Pisces. Any message or advice or gabay? Messages for Pisces, please. Whale, great worry over nothing. Yeah. Parang nag-worry ka over nothing. Nag-iisip ka over nothing. Okay? So, clouded. yung thinking mo. Okay? Walang clear na path or something like that. Wedge. Someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. Okay? Be aware of that. Someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. Merong distraction. Okay? Merong pagtatraidor. Merong blockage sa gusto mo mangyari or sa relasyon mo sa isang tao. Weeping Willow, family sorrow. Okay, that's for some of you. Hammock, taking a vacation physically or mentally. Yeah, clear your mind. Or physical na bakasyon. Okay, for some of you, kailangan mo yan for the month of August. Para makapag-isip ka clearly, para alam mo kung anong gagawin mo sa susunod or yung anong gagawin mo next. Okay? Dolphin, financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. Okay? Meron kang matatanggap, pera from something na ginawa mo in the past, ibabalik sa inyo. Okay? Good karma. Okay? Axe, forces working against you. Okay? May mga forces working against you. It may be spiritual. Okay? So, meditate. Get answers from meditation. Clear your mind. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, may mga spiritual attacks na hindi maganda. Okay? Negative siya. Okay? So, be aware of that, Pisces. Tingnan natin from the Spirit Message Oracle. Ano yung message for Pisces, please? Pisces. You wouldn't plant a seed and then dig it up every few minutes to see if it has grown. So why do you keep questioning yourself, your hard work, and your decisions? Have patience, stop overthinking, and keep watering your seeds. Okay? So, stop overthinking. Refrain from doing that. Okay? For some of you, merong paranoia because of the moon. So, yun lang yung mga messages para sa inyo, Pisces. Maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!